Hello, 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 everybody. Thank you so much for coming in today. This is a very special day for me because I'm opening my birthday presents. I got in the mail so many surprises, I wasn't expecting any of this stuff. So it was very, very, very much a surprise for me to receive these beautiful, I don't even know what they are, but I know they're beautiful. Packages, these lovely gifts and remembrances from folks. I forgot to open this one. From you guys out there. It was so kind of you to remember my birthday, and it's always special. Every time I get something unexpected in the mail, it's always special, but this is gonna be noisy. Hold on. Okay. And sorry. I thought I had these all ready to go. I thought I did. I did not. Okay. Whew. All right. So this first beautifully, very heavily wrapped box came all the way from Australia. And I am very, very thankful and grateful for this gift. All the way from Australia. Wowza. Oh my gosh. Oh. Little note. Let's see what the little note says. See if I can read it. Sometimes you can, sometimes you can't. Hi, Robin. Happy birthday. I hope you have a wonderful day. Enjoy the yarn. I can envision it being made into Darla's cute spring cardigan. That would be so pretty. But the yarn is yours to do with as you will. Cheers, Cheryl. Thank you so much, Cheryl. So that's funny. She's in Australia and she mailed this, and let me tell you, it was very expensive for it to get to me. I'm very appreciative of that. And she said she put a letter in instead of a card because the weight of a card would have put it over into the next postage weight category. I get it 100%. 100%. Ooh, Cotton King. Look at that. Isn't that so pretty? Wow. I love Cotton King. I want to say it's 100% cotton. I know that. And it is a very fine, see, it's got multiple strands there, multiple strands, but I still think it's I think it's considered a one weight. And I know what sweater she's talking about. And I do want to make that sweater, and this will be perfect for it. And I love the fact that she gave me an idea what to do with it, because you guys know me, I never know what to do with anything. So I think this is enough, because I remember asking Darla, I've got one roll of this in a purple, and I asked Darla if it would work, and she said no, I would need two. Here we go, we got two. Thank you so much, Cheryl. Thank you. It was so kind of you to think of me. I really appreciate it. All right, we'll pack this back up in a second. Oh, so beautiful. That is gonna be absolutely beautiful. You know what that means, Darla? You're gonna have to help me with a project. I always end up calling her. And my next gift is from Darla, from Miss Darla, all the way from Canada. And you know, we have had our issues getting presents back and forth to Canada. So I am very happy that this is here. Let's see what we got. We have a card. Friends are for keeps. Of all the friends we meet in life, we find a precious few who we can say are real true friends, the kind I have in you. Isn't that nice? That's why it means a lot to me to have this chance to send this birthday wish right from the heart to you, my special friend. Wishing you happiness on your birthday and every day. Love, Darla. The Crafty Yarn Owl. Darla's one of our rad girls. And as you know, we have a Rad Girls Live every Tuesday, most every Tuesday, 10 o'clock Central, where we have Rad Girls lunch break and we just chit chat and work on our projects for 45 minutes, just long enough for a lunch break. So let's see what lusciousness we have in here. Oh, this is interesting. Okay, again, this stuff was sent from Canada. So she ran it through one of those, what are they called? What are they called? The little machine that takes the air out to smush it down to make it so it would not take up as much space so she could mail it. Wonderful, beautiful, beautiful yarn. Okay, let's open these up and see what we've got. Food saver, a storage food saver. I have one too, but I've not used it to mail things with. My understanding is it will make the package smaller, and if your packages are the size of the package, tells how much it's going to cost, then you definitely, something like this is great. Okay, so this is called Knit It yarn. Yarn with Lurex, yarn with L-U-R-E-X, Lurex. 90% acrylic, 10% polyester. It's got, oh, it's very soft. Ooh, really, really soft. Machine wash, warm, tumble dry. Very nice. It comes from Quebec. It does not say, what am I missing? Oh, here we go, 100 grams, 273 yards. Isn't that pretty? It's sort of a baby green, but not exactly. It's got a little more, it's got a little blue to it, and then some sparkly silver in there. And it looks like there's two of those. Open this up. Two of those. So then that's gonna be 200, 2, 4, 650 yards. Am I doing my math right in my head? 550 yards. So, so pretty. That is really pretty. Very pretty. And I've just learned from her that you can double these up and use, and I kind of knew that, but I never really thought about in actual practice to do it. Okay, now this one, same yarn, a little different color. Oh, that's pretty. Ooh, this one, I don't know what the colors are called. No idea what the colors are called. I don't see words anywhere that, oh, it's just a lot number. Just a lot number, or not a lot number, just a number for the color. So this one is sort of a silvery gray, and I love that color. So this is what we have here. Oh yeah. I can see this turning into a shawl, a wrap of some sort. I don't know if it's enough for a sweater, not for my big self. But, so that's 825 yards. That's a lot of yarn. Okay, guys, I think this is enough. This might be enough for one of Darla's sweaters, because her sweaters don't seem to take as much yardage as a lot do. So, okay, Darla, give me some ideas. You know what I've got here. Give me some ideas. That was so sweet of you. So kind of you to think of me. I'll put these right back in here. Put that over with the other gorgeous yarn. Very, very kind of you. Okay, now this showed up on my doorstep. And this was from Miss Amber. And again, I split the box open so we can see what we're dealing with here. Came from Amazon, so it was drop shipped from Amazon. And let's see what we have. What's in a gift bag? That's cool. I've never had this before. I've never had a box or a package come gift wrapped from Amazon. Isn't that cute? And the bag is definitely reusable. It's kind of like that really thick paper, that fabric-y, papery stuff. What a cute bag. Okay, And it's big. Good Lord, what have you done, Amber? It's tied all up with a ribbon. Oop, can't see, still can't tell. There's another box in here. There's another box in here. And there's paper. Oh, and we're gonna have to open this box. Okay, so this is what we got here. Another box in here. So let me get out my scissors. Good thing I've got these handy. That side open. I will get this side open. Any ideas? Oh, I know what this is. You guys have been watching Miss Amber, and she's got that beautiful stand that she puts her crochet hooks in, her furls crochet hooks, because they're so nice and fat. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Look at this. What a great present to put all of your crochet hooks in. And if you have not the furls, but just the regular size ones, you could probably put a couple, 3, 4 in each one of these. This is amazing. I love, love, love it. Thank you so much. See, it's got the little divot there to hold it in place. Oh, this is wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. Wow. Thank you so much. I actually really wanted one of these. I have been eyeing it ever since you started talking about it. Some of this beautiful yarn up here. Oh, you cannot go wrong with yarn and crochet hooks. Thank you so very much. I really appreciate it. And I'm so glad that you guys are part of my life. My life is better because you are in it. And I'm not being snarky, I'm not being silly. That is 100% the way I feel and 100% the truth. My life is better because of you guys. Thank you so much. We'll see you later. Please like, please subscribe, and make sure you go over and watch their videos as well. Bye-bye.